The name of the chapter is Reaching Grandmother's House. This is the continuation of chapter 6, Omana's Journey, and chapter 7, From the Window. What we have learned from chapter 6 and chapter 7. In Omana's journey, Omana was going to Kerala to her grandmother's house or Ammuma's house. She started her journey from Gujarat by train. A journey by train was very interesting. Omana's train passed a level crossing. Her train also crossed long bridges and tunnels. Omana saw people, houses, clothes, food differ from one state to another. People in different states speak different languages. She started her journey from Gujarat state and she also crossed the states Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and finally she reached Kerala. Reaching grandmother's house. In this chapter, we are going to learn how does Omana's family reach Ammuma's village from Kottayam railway station, and also know about different types of vehicles and some details of railway tickets and railway timetable. On 17th May night, after the long journey, Omana's family reached Kottayam railway station. It is in Kerala. Valliyamma's house was not far from the railway station and we had to take 2 auto rickshaws to get there. By then I was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. Valliyamma और बड़ी माँ का हाउस एकदम कोट्टयम स्टेशन के पास में थी. हम लोग 2 ऑटो रिक्शा लिए और उनके घर पहुंच गए. उधर जाके मुझे खाने का भी मन नहीं था, लेकिन मैं नहा के सो गई थी. Amma woke me up again. We got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. Valliyamma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. मेरे माँ ने नेक्स्ट डे उठाया. हम लोग रेडी हो गए. हमारा लगेज सब लेकर बस स्टैंड चले गए थे. हमारा साथ वल्लियम्मा का फैमिली भी थी. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off. My legs were stiff. I could hardly stand. बहुत लंबे जर्नी बस में करके हम लोग लास्ट स्टॉप पहुंच गए थे बस स्टॉप पे. Just then I saw a boat coming. That is the ferry. Amma said immediately. A big crowd of people started getting off. School children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggage. Amma explained that the ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other side. बस से हम लोग उतरने के बाद मेरी मम्मी ने बताया, देखो फेरी आ रही है. उसमें बहुत सारे स्कूल के बच्चे थे, मेन थे, वीमेन थे और वो लोग अपने लगेज के साथ थे. मम्मी ने बताया एक जगह से दूसरा जगह और रिवर में हम लोग क्रॉस करने के लिए फेरी को यूज करते हैं. Children, do you know what is a ferry? Ferry is a big boat that takes people from one side of a lake or river to the other side. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. It was time for us to get off. At last, we reached Ammuma's place. What a long and interesting journey it had been. हम लोग बहुत एंजॉय करके फेरी में ट्रैवल करके अम्मुमास विलेज पहुंच गए थे. कितनी लंबे और बहुत अच्छी जर्नी थी ये. Omana traveled by different kinds of transport after she got down from the train. What these were? Omana ट्रेन से उतरने के बाद कौन सा व्हीकल यूज की? After getting down from the train, Omana first travelled by an auto rickshaw, then bus, and finally travelled on a ferry. Omana's appa bought tickets for the train and the bus. Can you think of other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? ओमनास पापा ने ट्रेन में जाने के लिए और बस में जाने के लिए टिकट लिया था. आप लोग बोलो कुछ ट्रांसपोर्ट किस किस में हम लोग टिकट लेना पड़ेगा. Other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets are ship, aeroplane and ropeway. Look at this picture of a railway ticket. Find the following information on the ticket and circle them with different colors and discuss. बच्चों आप लोग देखा होगा, आप लोग ट्रेन में जर्नी करने के टाइम ऐसे टिकट, इसमें कुछ डिटेल्स के बारे में हम लोग देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन, द ट्रेन नंबर. Look at this red arrow. The train number is 9037. Second one, look at this blue arrow. What is it? The date of the start of the journey is 24/12/2006. Next one, look at this purple arrow. What is this? The berth is 21 lower berth, 22 upper berth and 23 side lower, and also the coach number is A1. Next detail, what is this? That yellow arrow? The fare or cost of the ticket is rupees 2578. 2578. Now we are going to learn about railway route and railway timetable. Children, do you know in which train Omana did travel by? Nagarkoil Express. The Nagarkoil Express train departs from Gandhidham station and arrives at Nagarkoil station. Omana's train started its journey from Gandhidham station. Then it crossed the state Maharashtra, then Goa, then Karnataka, then Kerala. Lastly, Omana's train reached Nagarkoil station. It is in Tamil Nadu. Children, now turn your textbook, page number 64. One railway timetable is there. किसकी ट्रेन है ये? Omana's train timetable है. Some portion of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omana travelled are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. First question, from which station did the train start? कहाँ से Omana's train start हुआ था? The train started from Gandhidham station. Look at this blue arrow. Gandhidham station. How many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? कितना टाइम Ahmedabad station से ट्रेन रुकी थी? Look at this pink bar. Arrival time 11:30. Then departure time 11:50. The train stopped for 20 minutes at Ahmedabad station. What is the distance that the train travelled over the whole route? ये गांधीधाम नागरकोइल एक्सप्रेस का होल रूट का डिस्टेंस कितना है? Children, look at this red star. Last station Nagarkoil station. The distance travelled by the train over whole route from Gandhidham to Nagarkoil is 2649 kilometers. How many kilometers did Omana travel by train? Omana कितना किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया गांधीधाम टू कोट्टयम स्टेशन? Omana boarded the train from the Ahmedabad station and deboarded at the Kottayam station. Total distance travelled by her 2480 kilometer minus 301 kilometer. Total distance travelled by Omana is equal to 2117 kilometers. Now we are going to learn some full form. TTE, Travelling Ticket Examiner. TC, Ticket Collector. PNR, Passenger Name Record. LB, Lower Berth. UB, Upper Berth. MB, Middle Berth. L, side lower. S, U, side upper. Children, we have learned many things from Omana's diary. Would you like to keep a diary? Take a notebook or diary every day for a week. Write about what you did. Also, write your thoughts and feelings. Share your diary with your friends. ओमना जैसा आप लोग भी डायरी लिखो, आपके फीलिंग्स को, आपके डेली लाइफ को आप लोग लिख सकते हैं और आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. Children, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.